everyone! Welcome to YUCa Japanese cooking. Today I want to show you how to make Japanese-style Hamburg steak. In Japanese, Wahoo hamburger. Same as other countries, people love Hamburg steaks in Japan. I'm sure you too. I'll show you my family recipe today. In this recipe, I'll use shiitake mushrooms and dashi soup stock to add Japanese flavor and pour the ponzu dressing. And this ponzu dressing is also famous in Japan. I remember my cooking class guest asked me how to make ponzu sauce. So I'll show you how to make ponzu sauce from scratch today too. Then during this video, I'll show you some tips and techniques to make delicious ponzu sauce and Japanese-style Hamburg steak. So please watch until the end. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Okay, let's make ponzu sauce first. Of course, you can use homemade dashi soup stock. But to make ponzu sauce, I tested many times and realized it's easy to handle. So I use this one today. It has a kelp and bonito flakes inside. Okay, now let's start. So ponzu sauce is done, so let's keep this aside. Okay, now let's make Hamburg steak. This is a dried shiitake mushroom soaked in water over 30 minutes. We use this shiitake soup, so don't throw this away. We will grate daikon radish later, so let's peel at first. And I use the medium area of daikon radish. It's a good balance of mild and bitterness. So now we season this. This is the meat, and onion and chopped shiitake mushrooms. Now I have a special tool, plastic gloves. Now we need all of them. Please grab the mixture on the palm and please throw to take out the air. Maybe my hand is very small, so I'll make small hamburger steak a lot. It's easy to take out. The cellophane. Put this hamburger steak in a fridge for 30 minutes. Okay, now let's make a hamburger steak sauce. It's using ponzu, so please prepare a pot, small pot. Now let's grate daikon radish. Grated daikon radish is done. Then the Hamburg steak sauce starts to boil, so let's turn off the heat. Okay, then we put sauce in here. Okay, now it's time to steak Hamburg. Now let's display all the hamburger steak. Then we heat the hamburger medium-high heat until the bottom becomes brown color. Then we flip all the hamburger steak. Now Sui-chan is here. Hello Sui-chan, how are you? She's interested in the Hamburg. Once you flip the Hamburg, please pour the excess shiitake mushrooms liquid. Now we put the lid and wait until the water evaporates completely. So let's grab one Hamburg. Okay, now let's do the decoration. Pour a little bit sauce on that Hamburg steak. Now we add Japanese basil on top. Then we add daikon radish. Don't forget to add excess sauce as a final touch. Japanese-style Hamburg steak is done! I chose this one. So, itadakimasu. I just like grated daikon radish. It well goes with the steak sauce. The Hamburg is very nice with the ponzu sauce. This ponzu sauce is so amazing. Today I use for Hamburg steak, but you can also use for many other dishes. You can just steam vegetables and dip this sauce. It's so yummy. It all combined and makes very good harmony. ごちそうさまでした。So how was the recipe today? I hope you enjoyed. Did you remember the tip? So tip, please use the plastic glove to knead so that you can save time. And tip, please use the leftover shiitake mushrooms soup for the steak sauce and also for steam the Hamburg. It adds good flavor. And tip, please make a small hole on the surface of the Hamburg so that you can easily to put daikon radish and Japanese shiso basil. As a supervisor, maybe she wanted to say goodbye to everyone. So thank you for always subscribing and supporting and like this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, our channel, please subscribe it. She thinks this is a food. If you have a question, please always ask me. Please comment down below. So thank you for watching everyone. See you next time. Bye.